Do you remember that feeling? That feeling of absolute freedom. Wind in your hair, the open road ahead, and the whole world seemingly waiting for you to explore. But then, age came. And suddenly, your car wasn't your ideal companion anymore. It became a burden, an obstacle. Long trips, weekend drives, moments of pure freedom seemed to become just memories. You wondered, was it time to give up your passion behind the wheel? The answer is no, absolutely not. Today, we're going to flip every stereotype on its head. We're going to discover 12 four-wheeled friends that are not only reliable and comfortable, but also extremely affordable, born to bring you complete driving joy for your golden years. Get ready, because your new journey of freedom is about to begin. Before we dive into this legendary list, we need to agree on what makes an SUV perfect for seniors. It's not just about the price. It's about peace of mind, comfort, and the ability to accompany you on every road without making your wallet dizzy. And now, without further ado, let's get to number 12. Standing at number 12, but certainly no less impressive, is the Mazda CX-5. When you hear Mazda, many might think of driving pleasure, but with the CX-5, it's also about driving with peace of mind and driving economically. With a starting price of around $29,000, it's one of the most balanced SUVs on the market. Did you know that, according to Consumer Reports, the CX-5 consistently reaches 200,000 miles, rivaling powerhouses like Toyota and Honda? What does that mean? It means you won't have to headache over unexpected repair bills. Maintenance costs are below average, and it rarely experiences major issues even after 100,000 miles. Furthermore, with its light, easy-to-handle steering and confident driving feel, the CX-5 doesn't overwhelm you with complex technology. It's simply a reliable, durable companion that allows you to freely explore without worrying about your budget. Next up, at number 11, we have a true gem, the Hyundai Venue. If you think cheap SUV means low quality, think again. With a starting price just under $21,000, the Venue is one of the most affordable new SUVs in the US. Don't let its compact size fool you. The Venue is praised by Consumer Reports and J.D. Power for its solid build quality and low repair incidents, even when the odometer passes 100,000 miles. It's designed to be simple, efficient, and durable. The small engine is robust, and parts are readily available nationwide. And here's what truly makes the Venue shine: Hyundai's 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. A peace of mind almost unmatched. With an average fuel economy of 31 miles per gallon combined and the lowest insurance premiums in its segment, the Venue truly is a small car with a big punch, helping you minimize all financial stress. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done excellently and often outlasts many more expensive rivals. And now, we come to number 10, the Kia Sportage, a familiar name that continues to prove its worth. The 2025 Sportage, priced around $28,000, offers incredible long-term value. Did you know that studies from IC Cars and Edmunds show that well-maintained Sportage models can exceed 200,000 miles without major issues? And like its sibling, the Venue, Kia also offers a 10-year per 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Safety is a top priority, and the Sportage consistently earns high scores in crash tests, helping reduce insurance costs. With a combined fuel economy of about 30 miles per gallon, it helps control ongoing operating costs. What's special is that the 2025 model hasn't seen much price inflation, a big plus for retirees on a fixed budget. The Sportage is an excellent choice for peace of mind, durability, and financial practicality. Ranking at number 9 is a legend of reliability, the Subaru Outback. Particularly loved by senior drivers, the Outback, starting from $29,000, offers exceptional investment value thanks to its long lifespan and low maintenance profile. Consumer Reports has confirmed that the Outback consistently crosses the 200,000-mile mark with very few major issues, placing it among the most durable cars. What makes the Outback stand out is its consistent reliability year after year. Subaru's engineering philosophy focuses on durability rather than flash, and that's clearly reflected. Its standard all-wheel drive system is built to handle everyday driving conditions without expensive upkeep. The Outback also boasts one of the best safety ratings, helping reduce insurance costs and increase resale value. With a 5-year per 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, the 2025 Subaru Outback is the perfect choice for those who want a durable, easy-to-own, budget-friendly SUV, ready to accompany you for hundreds of thousands of miles. Moving on to number 8, we have a delightful surprise, the Chevrolet Trax. This new SUV is one of the most affordable options in the US market in 2025, starting at around $21,000. For seniors who want a reliable car without overpaying, the Trax is a sensible and durable choice. Despite its low cost, it offers exceptional build quality and durability, often lasting well beyond 150,000 miles with routine maintenance. The latest generation of the Trax has been significantly improved for longevity, and data shows that the engine and transmission systems remain very solid. Chevrolet also offers a 5-year per 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, providing peace of mind. Fuel efficiency is also a highlight, with the 2025 Trax averaging about 30 miles per gallon combined. And the best part? Insurance costs for the Trax remain among the lowest in the subcompact SUV segment, thanks to its high safety ratings and simple engineering. Less weight and straightforward design mean fewer repairs and more durable components. For seniors looking for an easy-to-live-with car without unexpected expenses, the Chevrolet Trax makes a strong case. At number 7 is a name that cannot be missed on any list of reliable SUVs, the Honda CR-V. The 2025 model continues its tradition as one of America's most trusted compact SUVs, with a starting price of around $29,000. For seniors who want a car that simply performs well for the long haul, the CR-V offers durability, low maintenance, and excellent long-term value. According to data from IC Cars, the CR-V consistently ranks among the top vehicles likely to reach over 200,000 miles, with very few mechanical issues. Honda's engineering focus on reliability is especially evident in the CR-V. It's not uncommon for CR-Vs to operate well beyond 15 years with proper care. Repair Pal ranks the CR-V as one of the most affordable compact SUVs to maintain annually. Fuel economy is also a strong point, averaging about 30 miles per gallon combined, leading to long-term savings for those on fixed incomes. The 2025 Honda CR-V remains a top choice for those who value predictability and endurance. It's built for people who want a car that quietly performs year after year without unexpected costs or mechanical letdowns. For senior drivers seeking peace of mind, the CR-V offers one of the most reliable paths forward in today's SUV market. Moving on to number 6, we have the Ford Escape, a reliable and practical option for seniors in 2025, especially those looking for a budget-friendly SUV that can handle miles without constant repair bills. With a starting price of approximately $28,000, the Escape remains within reach for many older buyers who want a new SUV that can serve them reliably for the long haul. According to real-world ownership data, the Escape regularly surpasses 200,000 miles when properly maintained, giving it solid longevity. The mechanical simplicity of the Escape is one of its biggest strengths. Ford has refined the design over several generations to focus on ease of ownership and low upkeep. Common maintenance items remain inexpensive, and routine service costs stay relatively low. Repair Pal places the Escape below the industry average for repair frequency and cost, a major advantage for seniors. Additionally, safety ratings remain strong, helping keep insurance premiums reasonable. For senior drivers who prioritize value, durability, and cost control, the Ford Escape checks all the right boxes. At number 5, we welcome another member of the Mazda family, the Mazda CX-30. A compact SUV that offers remarkable longevity and affordability, making it an ideal choice for seniors who want a low-maintenance, long-lasting vehicle in 2025. Priced from around $24,000, the CX-30 delivers far more than expected for its cost, especially when it comes to reliability and long-term ownership value. According to data from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, the CX-30 ranks high in mechanical dependability and build quality, with many owners reporting trouble-free use well beyond 150,000 miles. Mazda's reputation for making durable vehicles is well reflected in the CX-30's design. Repair Pal and Edmunds data confirm that the CX-30 has fewer unscheduled repairs than most rivals, and even when service is needed, it tends to be affordable. Fuel efficiency is another advantage, with the 2025 CX-30 delivering around 31 miles per gallon combined, helping seniors keep fuel expenses low. Insurance costs also remain reasonable thanks to strong safety scores. The CX-30 also maintains strong resale value, a bonus if the vehicle is ever sold later. For seniors seeking a compact SUV that blends reliability, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness, the 2025 Mazda CX-30 is a smart pick. Coming in at top 4, we have a giant that cannot be ignored, the Toyota RAV4. This is one of the most reliable compact SUVs in the US and has consistently proven itself as a long-lasting, low-maintenance option, especially appealing to senior drivers in 2025. With a starting price of around $29,000, the RAV4 delivers strong value for money and boasts a reputation backed by decades of proven durability. According to Consumer Reports, the RAV4 is among the top vehicles most likely to surpass 200,000 miles, making it one of the most dependable choices on the road today. Toyota's engineering philosophy prioritizes long-term reliability, and the RAV4 exemplifies that approach. Its naturally aspirated engine and simplified drivetrain reduce the likelihood of costly repairs over time. Maintenance needs are predictable and manageable, with RepairPal ranking the RAV4 below average for both frequency and cost of repairs. Fuel economy remains strong, with the 2025 RAV4 averaging about 30 miles per gallon combined. Its consistently high safety ratings contribute to lower insurance premiums. For seniors who want a no-nonsense SUV that delivers consistent reliability without surprises, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 stands out. It's built to last, easy to care for, and capable of serving its owners for hundreds of thousands of miles, all without demanding high costs or constant attention. We've gone through 9 amazing friends, each carrying a story of reliability and value. But remember, this isn't just about cars. This is about independence. It's about the joy of living. It's about never having to say goodbye to adventures. And these top 3, they do even more. Standing at number 3 is a rising star, the Hyundai Tucson. It offers one of the best combinations of affordability and long-term reliability among compact SUVs in 2025, especially for older drivers seeking peace of mind. Starting at around $27,000, the Tucson provides excellent value up front and continues to save money over time through low maintenance needs and proven dependability. According to J.D. Power, the Tucson is known for minimal repair frequency and can easily last over 180,000 miles when properly maintained. What makes the Tucson ideal for seniors is Hyundai's commitment to durability, backed by a standout 10-year per 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That level of coverage is nearly unmatched in the segment and ensures reduced long-term financial risk. Real-world owner reviews consistently report trouble-free ownership for years, and common repairs tend to be minor and inexpensive. Insurance rates remain reasonable thanks to strong crash test scores and Hyundai's inclusion of standard safety features across all trims. For seniors who don't want to gamble with repairs or unpredictable expenses, the Hyundai Tucson checks all the right boxes. It's designed to be worry-free and built to go the distance without stretching a budget. Moving on to the runner-up position, we have one of America's most trusted SUVs when it comes to long-term durability, the Subaru Forester. It's an excellent choice for seniors in 2025. With a starting price of about $28,000, the Forester offers a dependable driving experience that holds up year after year. According to Consumer Reports, the Forester consistently ranks among the top vehicles most likely to reach or exceed 200,000 miles thanks to its robust engineering and reputation for reliability. One of Subaru's core strengths is building vehicles that last, and the Forester reflects that with its sturdy drivetrain and minimal maintenance needs. The powertrain is simple and proven, and Subaru's standard all-wheel drive system adds year-round security without sacrificing longevity. Routine maintenance costs remain low, and when repairs are needed, parts are widely available and affordably priced. For those seeking a reliable SUV that offers comfort, confidence, and long-term value, the Subaru Forester is hard to beat. The 2025 model continues the legacy of being one of the most dependable and cost-effective compact SUVs on the road, giving older drivers a vehicle they can rely on for hundreds of thousands of miles without financial stress. And finally, at number 1, the name we've been waiting for, the Toyota Corolla Cross. A compact SUV built on the legacy of the long-running Corolla sedan, offering the same reputation for reliability in a more practical format for seniors. Priced from around $24,000 in 2025, it stands as one of the most affordable SUVs in its class. Despite the budget-friendly price tag, the Corolla Cross is engineered for the long haul, with many owners expecting well over 200,000 miles of use. This SUV uses a straightforward powertrain and proven components that minimize the likelihood of costly repairs over time. Toyota's engineering prioritizes longevity, and that shows in the Corolla Cross's low annual maintenance costs, which remain among the lowest in the segment. According to RepairPal, Toyota's 5-year per 60,000-mile powertrain warranty adds further reassurance, especially valuable for seniors who want a vehicle they can count on without worrying about sudden expenses. Fuel efficiency is another standout benefit, with the 2025 Corolla Cross delivering about 32 miles per gallon combined. That kind of economy can save hundreds of dollars each year in fuel costs alone. For seniors looking to minimize ownership costs while maximizing reliability and long-term use, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross is a nearly unbeatable option. You see, age doesn't mean having to give up joy, to give up freedom. With the right choice, your SUV won't just be a means of transportation, but a door to new adventures, priceless memories. Be bold, seize the opportunity, and fully enjoy every moment on the road of life. Are you ready to write your next adventure story? Let us know your thoughts on these SUVs, or share your favorite travel companion in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our exciting upcoming videos. Thank you for joining us on this journey. See you in the next video.